What if creating an insanely realistic video could be as simple as typing a sentence open? AI's newly released Sora makes that possible. Introducing an AI tool that generates fully high-quality videos from just a few words. No cameras, no editing software, just your ideas brought to life in this video. We'll break down exactly what Sora is, how it works, and why it's making waves across industries, but there's more. Stick around as we explore the limitations and ethical challenges that come with this kind of technology. Plus, we'll take a look at what the future might hold for Sora and its potential to reshape video production as we know it. If you're curious about how Sora could impact your work or the industries around you, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Sora is OpenAI's latest innovation, designed to transform text prompts into fully animated videos, while the concept of AI-generated media isn't new. Thank Dolly for IM or ChatGPT for text. Sora takes things a step further by venturing into the world of moving visuals. Here's how it works. Users input a written description, and Sora generates a short video based on that text. These videos can be up to 20 seconds long and are available in various aspect ratios, making them versatile for social media presentations and creative projects. But that's not all. Sora also allows users to animate static images, breathing life into still photos, and remix existing videos, offering endless possibilities for content creators. Initially previewed in early 2024, Sora is now accessible to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers in select countries. However, its availability is limited, with users in the EU, Switzerland, and the UK excluded for now, likely due to regional regulations and compliance challenges. At its core, Sora is powered by advanced machine learning models, trained on vast datasets of videos, images, and associated text. This training allows the AI to understand the relationship between visual elements and language, enabling it to generate videos that match the prompts provided. For example, if you type a golden retriever playing fetch on a sunny beach, Sora creates a short video clip that reflects this scene. While the tool isn't perfect, its outputs can sometimes lack the polish of professionally created videos. It represents a significant leap forward in generative AI technology. The ability to animate static images and remix videos further showcases Sora's versatility, making it more than just a text-to-video generator. Despite its impressive capabilities, there are limitations. Videos are capped at 20 seconds, and resolution varies based on the subscription tier. ChatGPT Plus users can create 720p videos, while Pro subscribers can generate videos in full 1080p HD. While this may not yet compete with professional video editing software, it provides a valuable tool for quick creative outputs. The implications of Sora's technology are vast, with potential applications across industries. Content creators, for example, can use it to generate eye-catching visuals for social media posts without the need for expensive equipment or time-consuming edits. Marketers might find it invaluable for producing ads or promotional materials on a tight deadline, while educators could create interactive videos to make learning more engaging. Consider a small business looking to advertise a new product. Instead of hiring a videographer, they could input a description of their product and let Sora create a visually appealing clip. Or imagine a teacher using Sora to animate historical events for a history lesson, helping students visualize and better understand the content. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The short video length and occasional inconsistencies and output mean that Sora isn't a replacement for traditional video production, at least not yet. It's best seen as a supplementary tool, ideal for situations where speed and convenience outweigh the need for absolute precision. As with most OpenAI products, Sora operates on a subscription-based model. Users with ChatGPT Plus plan, which costs $20 a month, can generate up to 50 priority videos at 720p resolution for those seeking higher quality and unlimited creations. The ChatGPT Pro tier is available at $200 per month, offering videos in 1080p resolution with no restrictions on the number of videos that can be generated. While the pricing might seem steep, especially for the Pro tier, it's worth considering in the cost savings compared to traditional video production. Hiring a videographer, editor, and equipment can easily run into thousands of dollars, not to mention the time involved. Sora, by contrast, offers an almost instant solution for generating video content. Still, the subscription model isn't without its criticisms. Some users have pointed out that the 50 video limit on the Plus plan feels restrictive, especially for creators who need a high volume of content. Others argue that the $200 pro tier may price out smaller creators or hobbyists, leaving the tool primarily accessible to businesses and professionals with larger budgets. With great power comes great responsibility, and OpenAI appears aware of the potential risks associated with Sora to address concerns about misuse. The company has implemented strict safeguards for starters. Sora is designed to block the creation of harmful or abusive content. This includes deepfakes, which have become a growing concern in the digital age due to their potential for spreading disinformation or violating personal privacy. OpenAI has also placed limitations on uploads that feature human faces. By doing so, the company aims to refine its deepfake mitigation techniques and ensure the technology is not exploited for malicious purposes. This cautious rollout reflects OpenAI's broader commitment to ethical AI use, prioritizing safety over rapid deployment. Despite these measures, Sora hasn't escaped criticism. Some artists have voiced concerns about how their unpaid contributions during early testing phases might have been used to train the model. Others worry about data privacy and the potential misuse of AI-generated content. These criticisms highlight the tension between innovation and ethical responsibility, a balancing act that OpenAI must carefully navigate as Sora evolves. Sora isn't just a tool. It's a glimpse into the future of content creation by democratizing access to video production. Sora empowers small creators, startups, and businesses that lack the resources for traditional methods in a world where visual content dominates. This technology levels the playing field, enabling anyone with a creative idea to bring it to life. Beyond empowering individuals, Sora has the potential to redefine entire industries. Marketing agencies could produce ad campaigns in hours instead of weeks. Educators might create engaging interactive materials without needing extensive budgets. Even filmmakers could use Sora to prototype scenes or test concepts before full-scale production. However, this accessibility raises questions about its impact on traditional creative fields. Will professional videographers and editors see a decline in demand for their skills? Could Sora's rapid content creation lead to oversaturation in the digital market space? These are complex questions that require careful consideration as the technology becomes more widespread. As promising as Sora seems, it's not without its challenges. One major concern is the potential for disinformation. The ability to create convincing videos in seconds could be exploited to spread fake news or manipulate public opinion. While OpenAI has implemented safeguards, no system is foolproof, and the risk of misuse remains a significant concern. Another issue is job displacement. Just as automation has disrupted manufacturing and other industries, AI-driven tools like Sora could impact creative professionals. Videographers, animators, and editors may face increased competition from individuals using AI to produce similar content at a fraction of the cost. While some argue that Sora will create new opportunities, the transition could be difficult for those whose livelihoods are affected. Critics have also questioned whether OpenAI's subscription model limits access to its technology. At $200 per month of unlimited high-resolution videos, the Pro tier may exclude smaller creators or hobbyists who could benefit from the tool. This pricing structure highlights the broader debate about accessibility and equity in AI innovation. OpenAI has taken steps to address these challenges. The company actively monitors user activity to detect misuse and continues to refine its ethical guidelines. Additionally, OpenAI has been transparent about the technology's limitations, encouraging users to view Sora as a complementary tool rather than a replacement for traditional methods. While these efforts are commendable, they may not fully alleviate concerns, especially as the technology becomes more sophisticated. Sora's release is just the beginning. As with any new technology, updates and improvements are inevitable. OpenAI may extend video length limits, improve resolution options, or introduce new features to enhance user creativity. These upgrades could make Sora even more versatile, expanding its appeal across different industries. Geographic expansion is another area to watch. Currently unavailable in the EU, Switzerland, and the UK, Sora reach could grow as OpenAI navigates regulatory requirements. This expansion would not only increase accessibility but also enable OpenAI to gather more diverse user feedback, improving the tool's performance and applicability. OpenAI's broader strategy also includes staying competitive in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. With companies like Google and Meta investing heavily in generative AI, the race to innovate is intensifying. Sora's success will depend on OpenAI's ability to adapt and remain a leader in the field, balancing innovation with ethical considerations. Sora represents a significant milestone in AI's journey, blending creativity and technology in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. It has the potential to empower creators, disrupt industries, and redefine how we think about video production. But as with any innovation, its impact will depend on how it's used and managed. So what do you think? Could Sora change the way you work, create, or consume content? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.